Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today, real quick, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2020 to 2024 Nissan Sentra SV. First, open the glove box. Then you're going to push the ears on both sides of the glove box in and pull the glove box out just a little bit. Not all the way, but just a little bit. The ears are going to hold it in place for just a moment. Now, remove the glove box dampener on the passenger side. Lower the glove box softly so it doesn't fall down and break the hinge on the bottom. Now we're going to remove the cabin air filter door or cover. Next, remove the cabin air filter itself. Make sure you install the new cabin air filter in the right direction with the arrow pointing down. Now we're going to install the cabin air filter door. Push the ears in on the side of the glove box like you did when you took it off and install it halfway, not all the way. Use your left hand to reach behind the glove box and pull on the dampener with the right hand. Install your dampener. And now go ahead and push the glove box all the way in. And boom, that's it. Cabin air filter done.